You know you love this shit.
Bitch, you know you love this life. Don't nobody do you like me. You know you love.
I'm saying though.
Bitch, you know you love this life.
Tell the truth.
Don't nobody do you like me. You know.
Cavalli dress and high heels and drop tops on Hot Wheels. We live how we wanna live, cause we got meals. Them other niggas barely buy a hot meal. In VIP, them bottle poppin', do it B.I.G. Come get with T.I.P. be ballin' till you D.I.E. Invisible set bracelets, see clearly. Take away your stress, mean that sincerely. Problem solved, never mind that. Girlfriend see your bag, be like, where you find that? Plus, what the fuck's a prenup? You ain't gotta sign that. You let up, take half, I'ma make it right back. I'm a motherfucking hustler, to the hard wuster. Since of leaving me and be back fucking with them busters. Bentley for your birthday, Goyard purse day. Deal with them stacks, know you gotta love that.
You love, bitch, you know you love this life. Don't nobody do you like me. You know you love, bitch, you know you love this life. Don't nobody do you like me. You know.
Man, no respect on a big jet with a big dick and a big check. I pop big shit, I'm good as it get. You leave me, where else you think you can get this? Yeah, you can get another guy to beat that pussy for you. Them niggas cowards though, and now I take a bullet for you. Mansions, jewelry, all I need's for you and me to have some understanding. Have a couple candid conversations, your frustrations I take in consideration. I'm rough around the edges though, bear with me and be patient. And you're sadly mistaken if you think I'm into chasing. My heart is RSVP, I've extended an invitation. And don't go wasting your time with what they saying online. Your position's divine, don't believe, look around. I got a strong mind and a kind heart with a soft kiss, but I love hard.
You love, bitch, you know you love this life. Don't nobody do you like me. You know you love, bitch, you know you love this life. Don't nobody do you like me. You know. Don't you love this life like I love you? Anything you could ask, do it for you. Drop jacks, Birkin bags, Louboutin heels. Summer homes in Miami, Hollywood Hills. Vacationing in